like an angel in disguise.
Good morning guys! Today is Monday at off-duty pa din tayo mga ka-friendship. So off-duty, lagay na natin ito. Yung nabuhusan kahapon ng anong tawag na ito? Gatas na pinakuluan ko. So yun. Balik natin sa lagayan niya. And yes, pakain na tayo. Na-receive natin yung payment ni Ate Mildred, yung ating minor kahapon. Yan. Pagkain nyo. Pagkain nyo guys. Ayaw nyo. Yan, malinis na sila oh. So yun. It's ano bang oras na? Natin kung anong oras na. Magluluto kasi ako. Anong oras na ba? So yan, magluluto na tayo ng seafood. So ito. Ano ba ito? Tsaka yung seafood. Ito yung ano niya, pusit. Yung hinugasan na natin nun. Tapos ano to? Yung shrimp. At at saka crabs. At saka ano to? Ayun, sisibangos. So yan. Lutuin na natin sila. So, kompleto naman yung ingredients natin dyan. Ang wala akong Sprite or Coke. So, okay lang yan. So, yan. Ano na natin. Para ma-defrost. Dapat pala kanina ko pa nilabas. Kaya lang, nagbabad tayo sa higaan. Alam naman ninyo, pagka-off natin. Ito yung kaya sa aking lutuan. Yan. Bali, ilan ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bali, 6. 6 yan. Kasi iyon yung malaki na free. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos yan, ito. Yan, ito. Mga shrimp. Hipon. So yan. Defrost ko lang yan, guys. And magluluto na tayo. Kanin. Yan, papakuluan na natin yan. Ang ating crabs. Diba? And then ito, defrost naman natin yung hipon at saka ito. Prepare na natin yung mga veggies na kasama. So yan, malapit na yan. Na ano na lang natin yung ating mga veggies. Kailangan maluto yun. And then, para may twist, lalagyan ko siya ng beans. So, yun lang. O, yan yung ating huhugasan mamaya. Ayan. Tapos na ang ating niluluto. Yummers. Ayan o. Kaya lang, ang dami pa niyang sabaw. Kailangan maano to. Anong tawag na ito? Na-drain ng konti. So, yan. Krabby. Dapat yung crabs ang nasa ilalim nito. So Ha-Jin ran to help him up. However, he seemed extremely angry. Oh-Soo thought Ha-Jin was teasing him, while Ha-Jin didn't understand why he was angry. Returning home, Ha-Jae's sister revealed that Oh-Soo almost died in a car accident and that half of his body was burned. Oh-Soo also had hearing loss and his legs were artificial bones. After hearing this, Ha-Jin was completely stunned. She didn't expect that her actions of asking about him would hurt him. Ha-Jin blamed herself for not knowing the truth. Okay. Ha-Jin bought ice for Oh-Soo to put on his ears. Right after that, Ha-Jin asked Oh-Soo to
ask about Ha-Jae just now. Oh-Soo said that he had met Ha-Jae recently, and he felt that Ha-Jae was very tired because every time he met Oh-Soo, Ha-Jae ran away. Hearing this, Ha-Jin was surprised. Oh-Soo advised Ha-Jin to try calling and asking about his sister. Ha-Jin said that she called Ha-Jae today, but the two sisters are no longer close, so Ha-Jae did not share any difficulties with Ha-Jin. Ha-Jin
umiikot yung kaldero ko.
have not seen each other for more than
Pero yan na siya.
Oh-Soo revealed his
Kain!
He said that Ha-Jin
Gusto ko lang pakita to. Ang cute niya. Ang cute niya. Yes. Tara na natin. Ang cute niya. Yan, naayos natin yan. Sa mga, nilagay ko yan dyan. Sa aking lamesa. Mga yan, pagka nagpupuntang beach, ayan yung mga naipon ko, nakuha ko. And yan, nagamit ko ngayon. Yan, yung ating lucky bamboo. Diba? At dahil wala tayong masyadong ginawa ngayong araw na to, anong ginawa ko ngayon? Nag-edit, like and share, like, comment and share. Nag-ayos nga niyaan. Saan na yun? Yan, naayos natin yan. And then, nagpalit tayo. Ay, hindi, kahapon yan, di ba? Pakain ng mga fish, ganun. So, yun lang naman. Tapos natulog ako. Yun lang ang maghapon ko. Rest day talaga siya. As usual, pagka-off. So, yan. Matutulog na tayo. Good night, guys. Good night.